If you're looking to pay off your debt and in so many words do it for free, then look no further. I'm going to put you on a brand new play that's going to help you pay off your debt. Alright guys, and in today's video, I'm bringing you Auto. So with Auto is an AI based company that wants to literally help you save thousands of dollars of interest over this time and help you pay off your debt. The dope thing about them, it's not a consolidation loan. They're not here to try to help you refinance. They're not here to help you to get set up on a package plan, to actually add interest to your debt, things of that nature. No, they literally help you configure out what you can do to pay off your debt again for free. So with Auto, again, it is an AI-based power company. It allocates all of your debt, and then after that, they analyze your debt to see what is going on, where the discrepancies is. And then once they configure all of that information and data, they actually provide you with recommendations on how you can pay this off faster. And I know what you're thinking, oh, I can just do this myself. It's really simple. I promise you, it's not as simple as what you think. Because there are so many people out there that literally have so much debt that they don't know how to start. One institution might tell you to pay like this, the other institutions tell you to pay like that, so you're trying to combine two theories together and it's actually hindering you and it's actually hurting you even more. But with Auto, they're actually going to configure everything for you and spit you out recommendations on how you can actually pay all this off. So of course, I know you're probably wondering, well, how does this actually work? So they do it by centralizing everything that you owe into one dashboard and gathering up all your credit cards, your mortgages, student loans, personal credit, even in some cases business credit, and they're actually going to figure out all the information and put it in an easy to use app and help you get your plan started, no matter which plan that you actually choose. And again, you know I love saying this and you know I love telling you guys, there's no impact to your credit. It's a soft credit check, no inquiries over here. So of course you have options as to what you want Auto to do, but of course you can use the free tier. And I kind of recommend that if you're really not trying to actually spend excess amount of money. But I promise you the free tier is actually top tier. Does that make sense? The payments that you use to actually put towards your debt is actually passed through Auto and it's directly to your service provider. And all the payments that you give to Auto's dashboard is actually paid to your actual service provider, and they don't hold any of your money. They'll actually tell you when this is due and how much you need to pay, so you don't have any interest issues, and then they just send it directly to them, and then you'll actually see the decrease of your actual debt decline. Like I stated earlier, it seems like everybody's in debt, and debt is a humongous issue. And like I stated, if it was that easy to get out of it, nobody would be in it. So with that being said, I'm giving you an alternative to actually help you get out of this hole we call debt. And again, it's not about the payments with them that you're going to pay towards the actual debtors. Again, they're going to show you what is the right payment to make, when to make it, so you can disperse that debt faster. So at the end of the day, Auto can help you save thousands of dollars in not only interest, but also debt along the long run. And again, just to let you know, they can take care of credit card debt, auto loan debt, mortgages, personal loans, medical debt, and even more. And again, it's 100% free if you click the link in my bio and get set up. It's super easy as 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm always on the hunt to help find you guys the best alternatives and options to help you with your credit and your debt. So if you click the link in my bio, you can sign up for free and get your debt taken care of as simple as 1, 2, 3. All right? And I want to appreciate you guys for stopping by. Now go get that debt taken care of. Get that plan, all right? And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.